class. We have been solving, or we started some of our classes on ratio, rate, proportion, and to this class we want to move from simple to a complex problem. And don't let's forget that we have virgin land for sale, and I'm the surest plug you can contact. Maybe you want to build schools, amusement parks, swimming pool, you want to build a church, a mosque, anything you want to build. Feel free to contact me. Or you don't want all that I've mentioned, you want a ready-made apartment or building, maybe a duplex, a mini flat, a bungalow, or bedroom flat, 3-bedroom flat. Feel free to contact me. I'll also be dropping some of the videos for you to see so that you can quickly make a purchase. A delay may be dangerous. Let's get started with the problem on the board. We have a task can be completed by 12 workers in 20 days. If 4 workers leave after 5 days, how many more days will it take for the remaining workers to complete the task? This is a topic on proportion, and there are 3 types of proportion: simple or direct proportion, we have inverse proportion, and complex proportion. This problem we'll be solving here is inverse proportion, simply because they are comparing human being with days or hours. So any problem you see like that, this is the format you are going to use. I'll also be solving problems on simple or direct proportion. So let's see this problem. The task can be completed by 12 workers in 20 days. We have 12 goes for 20 days. If 4 workers leave after 5 days, let's see the total number of work done by these 12 workers. The total number of work done by these workers is 12 times 20, and that's 240 worker day. That's the total number of work done is 240 by these 12 workers. We are told that after 5 days, after they have worked for the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the 12 workers, they now leave. 4 of them left. That means they have done some amount of work which they needed to be paid for. So these 12 workers left. Out of these 12 workers, 4 left, but they have worked for 5 days. We are going to multiply these 5 days times 12, because they will get their wages for working for 5 days. So we have 12 workers worked for 5 days. So the total number of work done by these 4 workers that left after working for 5 days, the total number is 12 times 5, 60. That's work done. That's the total number of work done by those 5 workers. See, 12 workers. A task can be completed by 12 workers in 20 days. If 4 workers leave after 5 days, 12 of them also work for 5 days. So we need to know the remaining number of days left. So what I will do now is to say 240 minus 60. So the total number of work done left. So the work done left, 240 minus 60, and that will give me 0, 14. That's 180 work done. This is the 180 work done left after 4 workers left. The total number of work done left is 180. So how many workers are also left when 4 workers left? So we have 4 workers left. That's 12 minus 4. That is 8 workers remaining. So the total number of work done that is remaining after the 4 workers left and the total number of work done by 12 workers, which is 180, I'm going to divide it by 8 workers. That will give me the remaining, how many more days will it take for the remaining workers to complete the task. So I'm dividing 180 over 8. So that will give you 2 year 4, 2 year 90, 2 year 2, 2 year 45. 2 in 45, that will give me 22.5 days, or 22.5 days. So the best answer is 22.5. This is a problem that needs to be shared. Let's continue to share this information. See you in my next video. Bye.